This capability showcase illustrates how HM Craig's Integrated Power Systems and Services team created a complete, custom solution for the installation of a 3-phase, 12-kilowatt uninterruptible power supply in a single, sealed enclosure to back up industrial computers, automation and control equipment, and other electronics for various mining operations at remote sites outside the United States. The challenges we faced in creating the solution included the end customer's critically short lead time, housing the UPS, battery modules, maintenance bypass, transformer, and power distribution in one package, minimizing the footprint to meet space constraints, protecting the internal equipment from dust and water, the requirement for extended runtime, the need to be portable, providing complete submittal and drawing packages meeting the end customer's compliance and document control requirements. Our team started this project with a custom, frame-based NEMA 12 sealed enclosure with a 3,000-pound dynamic load rating, which was designed to house a UPS, battery system, and all other necessary ancillary equipment and accessories. The fully sealed, gasketed enclosure is resistant to chemicals, dust and particulates, splashing, and falling water. The enclosure was also protected by corrosion-resistant primer and powder coating. Removable doors on the front and rear of the enclosure provide easy access to installed equipment, as well as clearances needed to service the UPS and battery system. The doors and roof were modified to mount intake filters and a high-velocity 589 CFM ventilation fan, which provides the airflow needed to keep the temperature within the manufacturer's recommended limits, and also exhausts any hydrogen gas vented by the battery system. Our team then added heavy-duty caster leveling feet assemblies and mounting rails. A 6U 3-breaker maintenance bypass was secured at the top of the enclosure. A 6U modular 12-kilowatt 208-volt 3-phase UPS was secured to the 19-inch vertical rack uprights. 4 3U extended-run battery modules were installed for testing purposes, then removed along with the UPS battery cartridges, as the customer requested HM Craig store and refresh the batteries periodically while the power system enclosures are integrated and installed at the end customer's site. This system provides over 90 minutes of runtime at the customer's stated load. A network communications card and relay communications card were also installed. The UPS power module and battery modules are user replaceable and hot swappable. The supplied maintenance bypass provides power path redundancy and a greater degree of protection in the event of an unscheduled shutdown. Unistrut was used to fabricate the custom mounting structure needed to support the 600-volt to 208-volt step-down transformer. The channel system was bolted through the enclosure frame, providing a strong, secure attachment for the transformer. Power distribution and communications DIN rails were assembled using correctly sized circuit breakers, terminal blocks, cut-to-length cable, and connectors to provide all of the intra-cabinet equipment connections. These steps facilitated ease of installation at user site for the 600-volt input and 208-volt output, as well as all internal connections. The system was temporarily powered, started up using the manufacturer's recommended procedure, and functional testing was completed, including transformer input and output voltage, UPS and bypass voltage and current readings taken at the output, communications and correct operation between maintenance bypass and UPS, functionality of the ventilation fan. The system was then secured to a custom shock-resistant pallet and crated for international transport. This is another example of a custom solution HM Craig's Integrated Power Systems and Services team can create for you. If you run into a backup power challenge that requires unique retrofitting, kitting, assembly, or modification, we are the right people to call to create a timely, cost-effective solution. Please contact us today for more information about how we can help you by creating a customized solution for your application.